English Anyone, Lesson 3, Adjectives and Conjunctions. Colors. Hello. Listen. Green. Yellow. Orange. Red. Pink. Purple. Blue. Brown. White. Black. Gray. Adjectives and nouns. Orange heart. Yellow heart. Green heart. Blue heart. Big apple. Small apple. Short string. Long string. Hard ball. Soft ball. Slow car. Fast car. Conjunctions. And, or. Car. Bus. Car or bus. Car or bus. Car and bus. Car and bus. Car, bus, and airplane. Goodbye. For more free tips, lessons, and videos, and to discover the 7 secrets to becoming a confident, fluent English speaker easily and automatically, visit us at EnglishAnyone.com.